At The Big Issue, we know life is tough right now, especially for young people who've been hardest hit financially, socially, and emotionally by the pandemic. So we've teamed up with the UK's essential online support service for under 25s, The Mix, to find the best advice for sorting out your finances to help you plan for a stronger future.
Hey, I'm Andy from The Mix, and we're a youth organisation that provides essential support to under 25s through our helpline, content, counselling and community services. Today I'm going to take some time to talk to you guys about budgeting and where you can learn more and seek help if you need it. So a big part of my job at The Mix is to speak to young people all over the UK to see what they're struggling with and what we can do to help. From speaking to young people, I've seen firsthand the demand for more education and information on money-related issues. The pandemic has hit young people the hardest. Those that are at university, those looking for first-time jobs, those that are planning for their future have all been faced with uncertainty. Something that always comes up when we talk about money is budgeting, whether that's student budgeting to afford rent, food and a social life, or young people budgeting to support their family and future life. Personally, money has always been a central factor in my life, especially when I think about my transitional points like going to university. It was a new experience for me and I was given through my student loan a large sum of money all at once. The first semester was a bit of a mess and I did not budget very well. I soon learned that to afford things at university, I was going to need a job. So if you work part-time or full-time, or if you're someone looking for a job or training, or don't know where to start finding out about your rights at work, there is help out there. On the Mix's work and study pages, there's support for surviving unemployment, info on 0-hour contracts, understanding pay and what you earn, what it costs to be a student, and how to become self-employed, plus so much more. The Big Issue's Rural Jobs and Training Toolkit is also a great resource. Signing up gets everyone access to a jobs board and free training courses, news and help for things like applying for jobs and finding apprenticeships, and a newsletter and free subscription to the magazine. Budgeting can be hard, and if you've never done it before, it's not always easy knowing where to look, but there is support out there. There's some great resources on the Mix's website at themix.org.uk. The Mix Money Hub has lots of support and advice with a financial health check to MOT your money and an online money management course, plus a financial guide to COVID-19 for young people. You can always check out the Mix's other support channels. We provide free confidential support for under 25s through things like our e-learning hub, the content on our website, on which we have articles about money, budgeting, employment rights, student housing and much more, all from the voices of young people from across the UK. YouTube channel Living on 427 has tips and ideas for everything from making money to how to get a job or even how to get debt free. The Side Hustle show shows you how you can make money selling personalised sweets, starting a podcast, selling on Depop or even becoming a tutor, and lots more. And the Checking In series shows that other people like you talking about what their lives have been like during lockdown. Hope that's all been helpful. You can find out lots more on the Mix's website where there's support available 24/7 with phone, chats and crisis messenger services. We'll get through the pandemic together.